Jeff and Hollie are mission pastors. They spent their lives helping and ministering to people all over the globe when they were called to Solid Rock Church in Fort Worth.
What can I say about Jeff and Hollie? I could say that they are quick to love people in their community, no matter where they are. You know, they were always bouncing from here and there, and then they finally have landed this home where they could finally put down some roots.
Their friend Kayla wanted to do something special for them, so she nominated the family for a weekend stay at the Gaylord Texan resort.
That's exciting.
But we used that getaway to do something bigger, like create a huge garden space for them in a single day.
We are super excited for the Rathbun family to have this garden. They have been talking about doing this, and actually several weeks ago we were driving around the property, and Hollie was just saying that she was ready to have this garden and was trying to figure out how to make it happen on their own, and it's just been a hard thing for them to figure out how to do so far and get the means to do it. And so this being here, they're going to show up today and be so excited and so happy.
So with the help of the amazing people at Silver Creek Materials, we got to work.
It feels really good for Silver Creek and our team of volunteers to help out.
And then when Jeff and Hollie got home,
You made a garden. You helped plant the flowers.
To all the donors, to Speak Love, I'm gonna start crying. Thank you so much, because your donations and your generosity help people like Jeff and Hollie and the Rathbuns and all those other families that have been so blessed by KLTY and Speak Love.
it's amazing what can happen when we love and help one another.
Speak Love!